Today we are going to show you everything you need to know about your garage door remote, and we'll show you how you can program garage door opener and safety reverse force adjustment. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza and I'm so pumped that you are here. If this is first time here, make sure stick around so you don't miss any other tips and tricks to learn more. Please make sure subscribe below. Door travel limit setting. Hold down the manual release lever. The door operator is under manual mode. Open the door by hand until the door touches the upper door stop. Close the door by hand until the door touches the ground. Push up the manual release lever. The door operator is now under electric mode. Press set button and hold on until LED displays figure 1. Then adjust the up limit by pressing the up button. Fine-tune using up or down button to determine the final up limit position. Then press set button to confirm. The display will now show a 2 automatically. Adjust the down limit by pressing down button. Fine-tuning up or down button to determine a final down limit position. Then press set button. The opener will operate a cycle automatically to remember the limit positions and the opening and closing force. If completed correctly, a half 11 will be displayed on the control panel, indicating that the unit is in standby mode. Coding transmitter. The operator should be under standby mode when coding remotes. Press code button until the coding light turns on and the operator is under remote learning mode. Press any one button 2 times on the remote. The coding light will extinguish. The remote has been coded successfully. Use the same method to code multiple remotes. Deleting remotes. If your garage door remote is stolen, first thing to remember is don't panic. Modern garage door openers have a button that enables you to clear all the memory and remove coding so that the lost or stolen remote becomes unusable. Press the code button over 8 seconds until display shows C, then it will be under standby mode. All stores remotes are now deleted. Over time you may need to tweak the limit switches for optimal performance, especially if you are experiencing problems with your garage door. Typically these problems include your garage door not fully closing or fully opening. Press set button and hold on until the LED displays figure 3. Press up button to increase the force. Press down button to decrease the force.